Hello to all you watchers of the night sky, and welcome to another episode of Infinite Minds. Zoom in with us to a portion of the Paw Nebula, located in a tiny patch of sky in the constellation Scorpius. As we get closer, we transition from visible light to infrared light, each layer revealing more detail as we move from ground-based views to the new, incredibly intricate image captured by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. Near-infrared light reveals details in this region previously hidden in visible light. The Cat's Paw is one of the most active star-forming regions in our galaxy. NASA's Webb Space Telescope provides this richly detailed infrared view of a massive star-forming region known as the Paw Nebula. In this relatively small portion of the nebula, Webb explores the star formation activity around the convergence of several dense filaments of dust. This vast cavity is carved out and illuminated by the intense winds and radiation of the massive stars inside it. Peering into these dense knots of dust, infrared light pierces the shroud to reveal deeply embedded stars, seen here as red rubies shining within glowing cocoons. Other massive stars, likely hidden by these dust clouds, shape an even larger bulbous cavern dubbed the Opera House that stretches toward the top of the image. After just 3 years in operation, Webb continues to unveil the mysteries of the infrared universe, providing astounding images, groundbreaking insights, and unprecedented scientific discoveries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching another Infinite Minds episode. We are building a new community here. If you'd like to support the channel and see more content like this, clicking the like button and subscribing is a wonderful way to do so. As always, take care and stay healthy. Talk to you in the next video.